Afternoon. This is Monday, June 1st. I'm Gary Pace, the County Public Health Officer, and we're going to give the coronavirus update for Lake County. So the current numbers: California has 110,000 cases with 4,100 deaths. Sonoma County has over 560 cases with 250 that are presently active. In Lake County, we got 5 new cases over the weekend, bringing us to a total of 26 total now. We did have to readjust our numbers a little bit from last week since 2 people were identified earlier ended up relocating to their home county. So one of these people is in jail, as a press release that was sent out by Sheriff Martin noted, and one person that was identified earlier has gotten sicker and is now in the hospital. So these 5 new cases are all stable. While we're seeing an increase in numbers this past week, most seem to be connected to previously known cases or to have gotten them from outside of the county. So at this point, there's no real sign of significant community transmission, but because of the increase in numbers, we're definitely paying close attention and trying to make sure that things remain under control. I know people are interested in getting some of the demographic data like age and ethnicity and where people are located. And once we get up to 50 cases, I'll share that. But up until that point, I'd rather wait to protect people's identity. So I can tell you though is that we're in other areas, in other counties, we're seeing that essential workers are the ones that are most likely to be getting sick. And those are the people that have to go to work in public. They may not have a lot of sick time and they can't work from home with this telecommuting and these Zoom meetings. They are the ones that seem to be getting the most contact and the most infection. So in terms of reopening, the current plan is to allow for indoor dining at restaurants to start this coming Thursday, June 4th. Now, if the number of cases continues to rise a lot, we may have to slow the opening process down, but at this point, the health systems and our testing and tracing team seem to be able to manage what we're seeing. Now that there's more movement and activity in the county, the willingness of people in the community to continue to work with the social distancing and the masking requirements is going to go a long way towards slowing down the transmission of the virus. As long as the virus spread stays at a manageable level, we can continue to reopen in a thoughtful and careful way. But one of the things that I want people to think about is how to do activities safely now that we're starting to do more. You can begin socializing more and returning to work and going out to eat again, but how do you do that safely? Staying outside is better than being inside when you're with people that aren't from your family. Wearing the mask and keeping up with your social distancing is all really important. As these activities are becoming available, you need to really think about whether you can do it safely or whether it's a good idea for you to do it. If not, postpone it for a while. You may keep yourself and your family from getting sick. So thank you for your cooperation with all this and look forward to talking to you again.